One TV special report.
Good afternoon. Atong MC ganina niingon nga -3 kung dili mo backpack. Karon lagi. Nakailag yung taga-DepEd, no? My afternoon greetings to all of us here present on the very first, actually, this is history because this is the first DRRM Nutri Creative Advocacy Reels competition sponsored by the local government unit of Ozami City. Shall we give them a round of applause? It is said that a prepared community is resilient. That is the RRM. And a nourished body is the foundation of that strength in the community, and that is nutrition. Thus, our competition this afternoon is DRRM Nutri Creative Advocacy Reels Competition. I was asked, ngano nga Reels Competition? Pwede man unta o poster making and sa tong the usual na to? Slogan, poster making, naman gihapon siya. But this time, we will take hold of the talents that our learners have in order to advocate disaster risk reduction and management and nutrition, not only in schools, but also in each of our communities. It is said we have to start them young. So, ang mga bata, pusok pa kaini mo dagan kung naay mga drills. Pusok pa kaini mo kiay kung naay reels competition sa TikTok. Right? Inay gihapon. Anyway, these are the mechanics of the competition. Participants must be learners from public secondary schools. Taga-public school mo? Public schools must be organized into 10 clusters under the guidance of the Department of Education, Division of Ozami City. So, we have 10 districts. However, only 9 districts have secondary schools. Walay secondary school ang District 2. Kay Ozami City Central School ramoy school sa District 2 kay dako man kaayo ang OCCS. Basin puhon mahimo siyang Ozami City Integrated School. We'll see. Ayhan sila maka-appeal sa competition. Each group presentation shall be composed of a minimum of 10 and a maximum of 20 participants. So naggrupo ni sila karon from District 1 to 10 minus District 2. Video presentations must focus on the official theme. Unsa gani ni siyang atong official theme? Let us read, children. Ascenso. Very good. Pero nabikil ko. Let us make this one a learning experience. What do we mean when we say kalikupan? Sa ganito? Si Ma'am Kodoy Bungod. Environment or surroundings. environment or surroundings, no na siya meaning sa kalikupan. Or, actually, pwede siyang ignon sa Bisaya o kinag-ibukan. The whole of it, holistic ang pagtanaw nato sa atong community. Not only that we take into consideration the children, ang mga bata, nagyoy atong sarbahon, kay mga bata pa, ang mga tiguang pwede nang ibilin sa daplin. Dili. This is a whole community response. Okay? So with the theme, asenso sa nutrisyon o kalikupan, hiniusang paglihok alang sa mas asenso kaugmaon. The content shall highlight environmental protection, food security, sustainable practices and disaster preparedness, and community participation. Nakuha na sa inyong reels? Let us see later. Presentations must be wholesome, child-friendly, and culturally sensitive. So, entries shall run for minimum of 5 minutes to a maximum of 8 minutes. Entries shall showcase ways to conserve and preserve the environment while promoting disaster resilience and proper nutrition and overall health and well-being of Ozamisnos. Language must be sa inyong gigamit na language, English or Filipino. When you're using Filipino, pwede po na ay English na subtitle. Actually, the City Disaster Risk Reduction Management Office required you to submit on July 20. But considering that there are concerns that prevented you from submission, like there are areas in the district na nag-brown out whole day kahapon, so we waived the deadline of submission to until just 1 or 2 hours ago. Kaya ang importante, dagdahan ang maka-participate. Shall we give our districts a round of applause? So let's go to the criteria for judging. Content and relevance to the theme, 40%. Creativity, production design, and originality, 20%. Acting and performance, 15%. Technical quality, 15%. Audience engagement and overall impact, 10%. For a total of 100%. At tuta sa prizes and awards. Ang dili makadaog shall receive a consolation prize. Mura rin ihapong nakadaog, oy, ang consolation prize. Because the consolation prize is pegged at 3,000 pesos plus certificate of participation to the school and also to the coach. Third place winner will receive 10,000 pesos plus certificate of recognition to the school and to the coach. Ang second place winner will receive 12,000 pesos. And the first place winner will receive, pila ka? Kaunagin sila, mabalugin sila. You will receive 15,000 pesos. Plus, of course, certificate to the school and to the coach. That is why when I announced it, we were all motivating you to participate. Kay kung tuluray mo attend, tuluray mo submit, di mag-ranking na sila o first, second, o third. Kagabi, 5 pa mo ay nakasapit. Sige kung ingon, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Naiduha ka consolation, sayang ang budget sa local government unit. So, this afternoon, we have 2, 4, 6, 8 entries for the Reels competition. And let me wish all of you good luck as we now see the entries from the different districts. Shall we give ourselves a round of applause? Thank you and good afternoon.
Thank you so much, Ma'am. We hope everyone is now guided accordingly. And now, the moment we've all been waiting for, let us witness the creativity, talent, and powerful advocacies of our 8 participants through their video reels or entries. Are you ready? Ngaya ko'y ready? Okay. So, akong giawag no, pag i-play na ang video, walay matulog. Naay mag-monitor niya unya. Na yung maestra o inyong teachers na sa inyo agatapat. Sure ko mag-monitor ang matulog. Akong ipa-video ni Madam Wes. I-post sa Mindanao Post Forum. Okay, walay matulog. Of course, wala ko'y mag-cellphone. Support your God. Support the video na ipakita dire. Walay mag-cellphone. Ay, class hours pa biya karon ha. Sure ko after ani mahimuon mag-reflection sa inyo ang mga maestro. Or di kaya pa mag-oral recitation mo after ani. So, maminaw ta everyone. So, let's have our video na.
Having a score of 75.67. Is from District Ginhawa pa mo? Entry number 1. District 9 is the third place winner. Congratulations. Our second place winner
No. 9. Karga.
garnering a score of 78.33
1. 1 Asa. District 1. 4-7. Harana.
is entry number sa ganitong last.
7.
It is from District
7.
Ansa?
District 7.
District 7.
Monton. Monton. Ilang champion. Senior chess.
Pila to inyo ang inyong third place will receive 10,000. Ang second place will receive 12. And the first place winner, garnering a score of 80.33. But we'd like to remind you not to post yet your material. Kaya na pa i-improve. Entry number. Dahil. Entry number 6. Coming from District 1. from the special program in the arts. I hope this will not be the first, but the series of producing video reels on DRRN and nutrition advocacy. Thank you very much and good afternoon.
Congratulations to our winners. Having full opportunity no sa ating mga winners. I would like to have our third place, representative from third place. Ito ako siguro natin with Ma'am Lina Ginawares and Engineer Dennis Borges and CDRIO. And also so third place, you will receive a total cash prize of 10,000 pesos, which will be awarded and given on July 31 during an awarding ceremony. Finance, 12,000 pesos. Finance, okay, for those non-winning entries, you will receive a total cash prize or consolation prize worth of 3,000 pesos. And of course, madawat ninyo ang inyong awards or cash prizes and as well as your certificate of recognition on July.
Good afternoon to all. Happy Nutrition Month! Hey, happy NDRRM month. Huh? So, we have just witnessed the amazing creativity, talent, and advocacy in today's DRRM Nutri Advocacy Reels competition. To all our contestants, thank you for using your skills to spread awareness on disaster preparedness, proper nutrition, and environmental protection. Each reel tells a story, and each story has the power to save lives, nourish families, and protect our environment. To our panel of judges, thank you for your fairness and expertise. To CDRRMO and DepEd, thank you for the partnership. To our City Mayor, Honorable Sam Norman G. Fuentes, and to the City Council, to Attorney Mars Tapayan, no, to City Councilor, anjo, lahutay gyud, no, manadi ni karon, si Konsihal Junjun sa akin. Thank you so much for championing programs that build a resilient and healthy Ozami City. As we close this event, let us remember, advocacy does not end here. Let us continue, take steps, no matter how small, toward a safer, healthier, and greener Ozami City. Congratulations again to all the participants and winners. Kanunay Asenso Ozamis.
Thank you so much, ma'am. And of course, as we conclude today's, this afternoon's program, let us remember that every small action builds or can create a big impact. Sa ngalan sa Local Government Unit of Ozami City, ako usab i-acknowledge ang effort o ang pagpaningkamot sa mga staff from the City Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Office and of course, the City Nutrition Office. Atong pagpaka ng mga staff sa CDRMO at City Nutrition Office. So, can we have a photo opportunity? Sa mga CDRMO CNO. Together with our officials and
himo karon nakasuporta siya sa vision, no, sa ilalom sa kanunay sense of administration sa pag-build sa luwas, healthier and more resilient na Ozamis.
So, nindot siyang nindot siyang advokasya. Kay nikanaog siya ngadto sa mga estudyante, no? Gikan sa mga estudyante, gikan sa barangay official, gikan sa katawhan, o gikan sa tanang mga stakeholders nga naa sa komunidad. So nahimusan komprehensibo. So napalapdan ang kampanya sa environment, sa nutrition, ug sa pagpalig-on inagi sa kanunay Asenso administration. So nindot siya. In fact, this is the first time I really appreciate the efforts of the City Nutrition Office, City Disaster Office, and the City Division Office, no, mga estudyante nga diin nagkahiusa aron mapalig-on ug aron mapakusdan ug aron mapalapdan ang kahimatngon sa mga katawhan pinaagi sa insakto nga nutrasyon ug pinaagi sa palig-on ug pagpahigmata kalabot sa kinaiyahan. Kay kung guba ang kinaiyahan, kung saan na to pagpalig-on sa nutrasyon sa mga kabataan. No?
Kita na to konsehal nga aktibo kay ka sa kaning sa ato ang environment ko mga kailukan na sa ato ang kinayahan. Kita na to nga mga programa karon sa CDRR on Nutrition 1 ta. Grabe daghan kita mga programa sama sa tree planting so reaction mo nini. Labi
Yes.
sa mo nakita karon.
Yes, tungod ang kinaiyahan mong God, mabuhi siya bisag walay tao. No? Pero ang tao dili mabuhi kung walay kinaiyahan. So ingin ana sa kaimportante mo ni nga gipakusgan ni Mayor Sam pinaagi sa programa aron ang maong programa ana ang continuity, no, dili lang panahon sa adunay nutrition, no, kun dili continuous siya, no, mapadayunon nga programa ang pagpakusog sa nutrition o sa pagpakusog diha sa ato ang kinaiyahan. No, importante kaysa sa tanan mga kaigsoon tud kay dili na tumatag na nga ang disaster moabot diretso sa ato. Kung dili ka aware, kung dili ka kining ginatawag nato nga ang imo kahimatnon huyang, so daghan ang mapiktuhan ng mga katawhan. Ilabi na ang mga panginabuhi sa ato ang mga katawhan nga nagsalig lang sa pagpanguma, no? Nagsalig lang dias sa kabukid.
Coach, kita na to first time na competition. Ano ba yung nakong posibilidad na mamahimo ni siyang annual competition base sa ato ang nasaksihan dito?
Okay, so good question. So sa ako personally, so mas maayo sa himuon siyang tinuig. Dayon i-improve siya, no? Kinahanglan na ay before siguro in fact atong ilahang gipagawas karon, itong himo nila karon. So nagkasinabot may gina sa mga board of judges nga before to ipagawas, aduna sa i-improve, no? Para nindot inig pagawas diha sa ato ang page diha sa Asenso channel ug uban pang mga social media practitioners at least mas nindot ang quality. So mas maayo nga himuon siyang yearly nga programa. Thank you.
Ma'am, ito ang pangalan niya.
I'm Jeremy L. Pasco from CDRMO, designated as technical consultant.
Kung sa pinaka-main objective karon sa ato ang activity and ngano ang city government nagpili iani nga pamagi na competition pinagi sa platform for instance.
Ang pinakatinguha gyud nga ngano kani nga activity gikandak nato it's because ang Ozami City through the leadership of Honorable Sam Norman Fuentes gusto gyud nila ipa-strengthen nato ang atong information education campaign on disaster preparedness and also the prevention and risk mitigation. Mao to ganiya gipakita gyud sa ato ang mga entries no kung unsa ang iyahang kaimportansya, and also ang ato among reels competition is mao man gyud ang pinaka platform nato nga dali nato ma-reach out ang public, at the same time ang ato ang mga katawan no and community, because more on nagyugta sa sa social media, and that's why the government of Misamis City kana pod gina-adapt pod nila ang ato ang technology as of now.
Say expectation na posibleng makuha o impact sa local government na para sa wider na dakbayan.
Okay. Para sa expectation or impact na amo ang gusto ginamo ma-achieve no is unta nga mahimo ang ato mga kabatan-unan as advocate for environmental stewardship, as well as also nga mapakuyana pod sa ato ang dakbayan kung unsa ka importante ang disaster preparedness, because the disaster preparedness is everybody's concern. Mawita tong ganiya sa atong entries ganiya gipakita gyud niya, as well also katong ang iyahang unsa na connection niya into the nutrition, which is ang food security nato importante kayo as part of the disaster preparedness.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.